guys, it's Mrs. Sager again. Hey, listen, I want to share with you this wonderful thing that I found or was showed on Word the other day. Our own student, Sierra Dean, showed me this, and she said there's a bazillion templates that you can use for Word, and there is. Can you believe it? So how do you do that? We're going to be looking at how to properly format a paper for APA format, right? So if you go to File on Word, okay, and then click New, you see how it brings up these search for online templates, okay? If you were to type in APA, it would bring up this right here. Okay, what I've done is I've pinned it. So this little pin right here, after you've typed in APA and hit enter, it'll bring up a bunch of templates that you can use. And I pinned this already, so it comes right up on mine. So if you hit that little thumbtack, it'll pin it so that from now on, when you click on new, APA style format will be right there. Okay, double click that, and it opens up this this right here, this paper already formatted in APA. This top part's is advanced. Don't worry about that. Just hit the X. Okay, so as you can see, running head is already put in here. Isn't that wonderful? You don't even have to worry about it. All the headings are formatted, everything. So double click in your header, and then right here where I've just grayed is where you're going to put your title. Put your title of your paper here, okay? And then you see it's already got the number. Double click in your paper, okay? Title here, up to 12 words, on 1 to 2 lines. So again, put your title of your paper here, okay? Go down to the next line. Author's name, first, middle, and last, omit titles and degrees. Okay, so I'm simply going to put Mrs. Sager. Okay, institution affiliations, Alfred State. Okay, go down. Author note. We really don't need an author note, so we're just going to get rid of this. What you do is highlight it and backspace. Takes that right out of there. All right, so look at that. We're on page 2, and look what it already did in your header. It already put it here, and it took out the word running head. Isn't that great? Yay! So some instructors are going to want abstracts. So this explains how to write an abstract. So you would do this here. If your instructor doesn't want an abstract, highlight all of this in backspace. Okay, if you highlight and backspace it all, it takes that abstract page right out of there and immediately puts you in to the second page of your paper, and you see it's already formatted. So now you just start typing your paper. If you have this is the introduction here, okay, so put an intro, and then you want to put your primary heading or the primary heading of your papers, right? And then it's even formatted for secondary headings. Isn't this lovely? It tells you exactly how to do it, all right, and what to put where, so on and so forth. Okay, if you add a page, don't worry, it'll add the pages in there to whatever's left at the end. Okay, so if let's say that we typed 6 pages of the paper, this would change this number to 12, because it would be a cover page is 1, 6 of your, all right, so this would be 8, excuse me, this page number would be 8, right? Okay, so reference page. This is already, it tells you to update your citations, or it helps you to build your citations, okay? So there you go, and it'll even put it in correct format for you. Okay, double spaced, indented for the second lines and all that. Now, so on and so forth, the rest of it, footnotes, appendices, if you needed to, that you could add those on. If you didn't need those, again, just highlight and backspace, and it takes those pages right out of there. But isn't that a wonderful way of doing an APA formatted paper? It takes the brain guesswork right out of it, okay? So I hope you like this. And I hope you find it beneficial. Okay, bye.